Hello there, my tribe. I have heard a lot of good news about Beyond Meat as a healthy substitute for burgers. Based on what I read, this is what Beyond Meat burgers have. Protein, for example, peas, mung beans. It also has fats, the kind of fats you love. These fats include cocoa butter and coconut oil. Now you'll wonder, okay, do I have enough nutrients? Of course, there are nutrients in Beyond Meat. Among them are calcium, iron, salt, and potassium chloride. And these minerals deliver the nutrients that we expect from meat. If you really don't want to eat meat on the day, then Beyond Meat is a good option. Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about staying fit and healthy and embracing your age, embracing your flaws, your imperfections, your mental and physical struggles, because we are tough and we are proud. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet and are liking the episode so far, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, share and comment. I'd like to know if you also like Beyond Meat, if you've tried that, if you are a vegetarian, a vegan, or if you just want to stay healthy and once in a while avoid eating real meat, then I'd like to know. So today we're gonna have a taste test. I got myself some Beyond Meat, and so we're gonna taste it right now and see how it tastes. It looks really yummy and juicy, and I can smell it's so good already. Let's taste the verdict. Are you sure this isn't meat? Well, what I ordered was Beyond Meat in lettuce, no bread. I have enough calories for the day, and it's really good. There's lots of lettuce, and there's tomatoes, cheese, and of course Beyond Meat burger and onions. It's really so good. You gotta go grab yourself a Beyond Meat burger from any A&W outlet that's close by. This is not a sponsored endorsement of A&W. I just really love it. And this is my sugar-free raspberry lemon drink, which I love. No sugar, no calories, just pure fruit flavor. Wow, that was heavenly. If I'm gonna go back to A&W, I know exactly what I'm gonna order. Plus, I also ordered Beyond Meat nuggets. They're of course a little more pricey than the usual nugget. For 10 pieces, that's $9.99. But you know what? We get what we pay for. Let's give it a taste. When my youngest daughter told me she was eating Beyond Meat, I go like, are you sure it tastes good? Like, what vitamins are you gonna get? What nutrients are you gonna get? But yes, I went to the website, and Beyond Meat is really nutritious. And if you really want to eat some burger and not have to eat meat, then yes, you have an option. Nuggets, I love them. Wow. That combination of the Beyond Meat nuggets and the Beyond Meat lettuce burger, oh my gosh, I am in a trance. Wake me up. I love it. Okay, you gotta give it a try. I tell you, well, if you love burgers, then you are not going to be disappointed by Beyond Meat burger from A&W. So go grab your burger. I hope you like this episode today, and I will be sharing more of those new discoveries that we get along the way. I'm not a vegetarian, I'm not a vegan, but I wanted to really give it a try, because if we want to save some cows, we gotta try going vegetarian or vegan at least once in a while. I hope you like this episode. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram too, The Real D or Jackie D. I hope to see you there. Bye for now.